Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission at Physics Exam. And guys, today's video is gonna be a very important video for all the students, those who are preparing for the CSIR NET exam. Guys, in this video, I am going to show you all the important slides, all the important things related to your online CSIR NET exam. I hope this video will help you to understand the online exam pattern well and to know about all those important things, okay, which you need to know before the exam. And after knowing all these things, guys, it will be more easy for you to attempt the questions in the exam and to take the steps like step by step how you need to consider the things when you are just going to attempt any question, and everything will get clear to you. So this is gonna be a demo video for your online exam. Okay, there will be most of the students, those who are going to attempt this exam for the first time. So how you will have your online exam, it will get clear to you after watching this video till the end. Clear? Also guys, as you can see this thing on the screen, that it is a referral code mentioned here, that is Anjali Arora. So guys, if you want to attend the more regular live classes of well structured and well planned courses on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR NET Physics exam preparation, or in general CSIR NET exam preparation for any category, as well as for the GATE Physics exam preparation, guys, so you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Also, by using and by applying the referral code Anjali Arora, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Okay, and after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. Now let me just quickly show you all these important things, mainly which we are going to cover in today's video. Also guys, if you are going to have your friends, those who are preparing for this exam and those who are going to attempt this exam now, like online exam, so you can share this video with them too. It will be helpful for them as well. So guys, first of all, what we are going to do, we have searched NTA here. Okay, you can see, and you can see the National Testing Agency is mentioned here, which is gonna be the official site, okay, of NTA. So now just click on this one. When we are going to click on this, what we are going to get, we will get this particular page. Okay, what you need to do, click on this student. Clear? When you are clicking on the student written here, you are getting the test practice mentioned. Now you need to click on mock test. And guys, even if you want to check it later on, okay, after watching this video, you just want to go through all the steps, you want to check it on your own, then what you need to do, you just need to follow the same steps and you can check it out. Now we need to select the exam here. So let's select CSIR, it's here, done. Now select the paper. So I'm going to select physical science. Done. You can select any one of them. So I'm going to select physical science. Now start mock test. Done. Now in this case we are going to have this particular page. You can see here they have mentioned candidate name will be here, subject name will be here, okay, system name will be here, like the system code or system name. You can see it will be mentioned on the screen. Now okay, if you are just going to see one more message here, that is contact invigilator if the name and photograph displayed on the screen is not yours. So then you can contact the invigilator too. Clear? So it is clearly mentioned. That means even if you are going to have any such issue, let's say system is not working properly or any such issue, you can like ask for the help. You can inform the invigilator. Okay, don't ask here and there, just inform the invigilator you will have, okay, in that exam hall. Clear? And let them just take the action accordingly. Whatever difficulty you are going to have or anywhere, you can ask to them. Clear? Now next point, and you don't need to worry about anything, don't get panic. They will just resolve any issue if it will be there, okay, and they will just work on it. So you don't need to get panic. Even guys, most of the times, like what is going to happen if there is going to be any such type of situation, like something got hanged, okay, or not working properly, then in that case, if it is completely stopped, most probably like you will get the same thing back from the same time. Okay, so don't worry, let them just work on it if there is any such issue. Okay, but you just need to inform them. Now this kind of like page you will have mainly when you will go there. Done. And here the username will be mentioned, so you can't change it. Here we can't change the password or username, it is already mentioned. But in the exam, username you have to fill, sorry, the password you have to fill, and the invigilator will let you know that what exactly is gonna be the password, what you need to fill there, okay, and everything. Like they will help you, they will give you the instructions. So listen to those instructions very well, very carefully, okay, so that you will not miss anything. And even if you are having any doubt, you can ask to them, okay. Now you just need to click on login at the time when they will ask you to log in, okay. They will give you the instructions, so accordingly you need to work. Or sometimes it's gonna happen on the screen, there is gonna be time, like, or you will get one message that now you can log in, okay, then you need to do it. Now click on login. Now you are going to have the instructions given to you. Clear? You can see here is the choose your default language, so this option is here as well, so English is already here. Done. Now next thing, general instructions have been mentioned, you need to read them very well. You will get some time to read these instructions too. So you can see it's mentioned here the total duration, okay. Here it is different, don't worry, your exam is gonna be of like 3 hours duration, so yeah, it will remain same, you don't need to worry about this thing. It is as per like the official exam pattern we are having, so it is just a mock test or a demo video, you can say. Clear? Now they will have like everything mentioned here clearly, you just need to go through all these instructions. And here you will even have the symbols, and they're like what they are representing, what they are going to tell you. So when it is just completely of this color, empty one or a white color one, you will say you have not visited the question. That means you didn't even read it. Clear? So it's something you are going to get. Then red color like this, it can be different in the exam. Clear? It's here they have shown in general, but whatever will be there, you need to read those instructions. So in this way you will have the instructions given to you. You have not answered the question, then red color. Green color, you have answered the question. Then this one, it's gonna show you have not answered the question but have marked the question for review, okay. That means you didn't answer it but you have marked it for review, which means you think you can solve, or you think, or you want to attempt it. So you have just marked it for review, which means you can check it later on, you can try to solve it, and you will not have to search each and every question completely like one by one to reach to that question. So you will be familiar that all these questions which you have marked for review and you didn't answer them, that means you want to check them and you want to solve them. So if you will have time remaining at the end, you can just go for that, okay. Then this symbol they have shown here for answered and marked for review, okay. So they have even mentioned will be considered for evaluation. That means if you have answered it, you have selected the answer still, and you have marked for review too. Clear? So in that case, it will be considered for evaluation. That means if you are having the some time remaining before the exam is gonna end, if you want to go through, you want to check, you want to change your answer, you can do that. But if exam will end before that, you didn't make any changes, so the answer you have marked will be considered for evaluation, okay. If it is right, you will get the marks for the right answer. If it is wrong, you will get the negative marking for that. So that's what it means. Clear? Then like more instructions are here. After reading all of them, you need to read them well in the exam. Clear? You are going to have this declaration like, okay, you have read it and all those things will be mentioned, you can read that too. Clear? Then after marking this point, you will get the option of proceed, okay. Now you can click on this, otherwise before clicking on this one, that will not be active, okay. That means you can't click on that. Now here you are going to have your question mentioned, it will be here. It is just a mock test, just a demo video, so question is not here, it's just options. Let's say you read this question, you solved it, and you are getting option 2 as the right answer. You got this answer, okay. Now save and next, click on this one. Once you got the answer, you solved it and you marked it, save and next. Done. You can see it's green color, which means answered question, and you can see here like all the questions are visible in this palette, okay. So we can see that every question, if we have marked it for review, let's say you read it and you are thinking, oh, I'm not gonna attempt this one, I don't know, okay, or I'm not having a clear idea. So what you will do, you will consider the next one. So here you can see next is written, okay. From here I can do this thing, then, and from here I can just check out like the question palette. If I want to switch to the question number 44, I will go to the question number 44, you can see just by clicking here. Done. So this is how question number 2 I didn't answer it. So not answered, red color. If you want to check it again, you can click on that again. You reach to question number 2. Let's say you have answered it, you solved it, and you want to check it later on if you will have more time. So mark for review and next, or save and mark for review. So save and mark for review, that means I have answered, I think, or I have solved it and I got option 2, but I'm not sure about it. I want to check it once again if I will have more time. So I will mark it for review to save and mark for review, like that. So you can see a green color on this one. Okay, it is showing answered and marked for review case. Now this one I don't want to answer it right now because it is going to have so much lengthy calculation. So you can just mark it for review and you can come back to this one later on. Now you have marked it for review, you reach to question number 4, you don't want to answer it because it may lead to negative marking and you are not sure about that. Click on next, reach to the next question. This red color is showing that you didn't answer it. Let's say you are going to just directly reach to question number let's say 10. So you didn't even visit it, like you didn't even visit the question number 7, 8 and 9. So that's why their color, this one, it is showing not visited. Okay, and that's how you can see here 67 number of questions not visited out of the total number of questions. That is what it is showing. So guys, in this way, like, it's gonna be quite easy and simple. Once the time will get over, the submit button, like, you will be able to click on that. It will be easy, like everything is gonna be quite easy. Also on the screen you will have the time, remaining time, it will be visible there. Mostly, like, it can be at any other place, it's not necessary to be here. Some differences can be there on the screen, like how the things are mentioned, where the things are mentioned and everything. Some difference can be there, but almost like the symbols, just moving to the next question, or most of the things. Now after knowing about this pattern, it will not be totally like new for you. At least you are now having some idea about it. Clear? The type of, like, the time remaining, as it is visible here, it may be here at this point, or it may be here, it may be anywhere else, or it can be at the same place too. Clear? So depending on this thing, like, the things are gonna be there, their position can be different, a little bit change can be there. Otherwise, you know everything now, how the things are gonna work, what they mean and everything. And let's say you have answered this question. Let me just show you this one, question number 2, you have marked it. Okay, that is second one you have selected, and you have marked it for review as well. So let's say you are just keep on solving the questions, and you are reaching to the last question, or you are not having enough time remaining to go through the question again. So let's say you are going to submit your exam or question paper, like, in the same way. Okay, you didn't visit that question again, and when you will submit it now, in that case what will happen? In that case, that question which you have marked for review and you have answered it too, it will be considered for evaluation. That means if it is right, you will get the marks for it. If it is wrong, you will get the negative marking for that. Okay, that's how the things are going to work. So I hope most of the things will be clear to you. At the end, when the time will get over, you will be able to submit your question paper. Okay, like the complete question, I have just clicked on submit. Okay, and here total number of questions will be visible, answered questions will be visible, not answered questions will be visible, marked for review questions will be visible, like how many. Okay, answered and marked for review one, then not visited, how many questions. So this kind of format you are going to get at the end. Okay, and then, are you sure you want to submit for final marking? No changes will be allowed after submission, and once time get over, you have to do that. Like, then you can't go back to the question paper if the time is completely over now. Okay, so it's like, yes, if you will click on that, you are just going to get thank you, submitted successfully. Okay, so this is now like how everything is gonna work. I hope after watching this video till the end, now you are going to have a clear idea about all these important things, and it's gonna be easy, but it's important for all the students to know about it a little bit. Like, it's gonna be okay then if even you are attempting any online exam for the first time, now you are having a clear idea about it. Clear? Also guys, as I have told you about the Unacademy Plus subscription, so if you want to attend the more regular live classes by all the top educators, we are having an Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. You can use and apply the referral code Anjali Arora to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Here are some of the important courses like the GATE Physics exam preparation course, which is going to start soon, that is mentioned here, the tips and tricks course, okay, and there are many other courses which will start soon. So yeah, to attend the live classes for all the important courses by all the top educators, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription, and it will be helpful for you to prepare well for your upcoming exam. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. You can even share this video with your friends, and if you are new on this channel, that is Mission at Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on subscribe written below this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.